everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix PayPal when it shows you this kind of an interface where it says your payment method was declined or your payment was denied. So whenever you walk through this situation, here are some troubleshooting steps that you can follow to resolve the issue. The first thing you'll need to make sure is to verify your payment information. Tap open the settings app from your iPhone and then go and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Now click on payment and shipping. Go ahead and ensure that your payment information such as your credit card details, billing address is correct. Remove the existing payment method and add it again if you already have a payment method. Once you've made sure of that, also make sure that you don't have any unpaid orders or outstanding balances related to your Apple ID. Now, after you verify your payment information and check your outstanding balances, you might be able to fix your issue. But if the problem still persists, consider restarting your iPhone. Sometimes temporary glitches can cause payment issue, so make sure to restart your device to clear any such issues. If the problem still continues, delete your PayPal application and reinstall it again and try getting to your account to see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your PayPal application is not working properly and you receive your payment was declined error. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.